Have you ever lost your essential files? If yes, this video is for you. In this video, we will show you how to recover lost data using software. We will also list some of the software that can help you with the process. So stay tuned till the end. But first things first, how to recover lost data using software. You have to follow 3 simple steps to recover your lost data using any of the software mentioned in this video. There are plenty of data recovery tools available online, but we have listed the top 5 in this video. The software supports hundreds of file types and can recover data from both FAT and NTFS formatted drives. The software supports over 1100 file formats and can recover data from a wide range of storage media. One of the key features of EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard is its ability to recover data from different storage devices. Whether you have lost your data from a computer, an external hard drive, or any other storage medium, this software can retrieve it for you. The software also has a built-in preview feature that allows you to view your files before recovering them. This feature is particularly useful if you want to ensure that you are only recovering the files you need. Disk Drill has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to use even for beginners. The software also offers a free scan and preview feature so you can see what files can be recovered before purchasing the full version. But the most important thing is to recover your lost data. All of the software mentioned in this video can help you recover your lost data no matter what the reason behind the loss is. All of these tools are excellent in their own right and have a wide range of features. You can try out one of them and let us know which one works best for you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Disk Drill is available for both Windows and Mac OS. First step, install and download the software. Second step, select the drive where you lost your file and start scanning. Wondershare Recoverit is a powerful recovery tool that can help you recover lost data from various storage devices such as hard drives, SSDs, USB flash drives, and optical discs. Recover is a user-friendly tool that can help you recover lost data from various storage devices. The software supports a wide range of file formats and can recover data from different storage media. One of the key features of Recover is its ability to recover data from external devices such as USB flash drives and memory cards. Whether you have lost your data from a USB flash drive, SD card, or any other external device, Recover can retrieve it for you. The software also has a preview feature that allows you to view your files before recovering them. Recover is available for both Windows and Mac OS. The software supports a wide range of file formats, including documents, photos, videos, audio files, and more. One of the standout features of Wondershare Recoverit is its ability to recover data from formatted drives. Whether you have accidentally formatted your drive or it has become corrupted, Wondershare Recoverit can retrieve your data. The software can also recover data from damaged and corrupted drives, making it an excellent choice for users who need to access their critical data in such scenarios. The software will quickly scan the selected drive and display the list of lost files. Third step, choose the file you want to recover and restore them. It's that simple. Now let's talk about the best tools for data recovery. 1. Recoverit. Recoverit is an excellent tool to recover lost or deleted files from any device. It has an easy-to-use interface and is available for both Windows and Mac. The software supports more than 1,000 file formats. Whether you have lost your data due to accidental damage, corruption, formatting, or any other reason, Recoverit can retrieve it for you. The software uses advanced algorithms to scan your device and find the lost data. It also has a built-in preview feature that allows you to see the files before recovering them. This way you can be sure that you are only recovering the files you want. 2. Wondershare Recoverit. 3. Disk Drill. Disk Drill is another robust tool for recovering lost data from various storage devices, including hard drives, SSDs, and RAID systems. 4. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard is a comprehensive tool for recovering lost data from various devices, such as computers, external hard drives, and optical discs. 5. Recover. There are many ways to lose your essential data. The reasons could be accidental damage, corruption, formatting, or any other reason.